I'm here with Courtiers Deputy Fund Manager James Timpson to find out what's been happening in the markets throughout March. James, how have things been for you this last month?
Well, as you can imagine, Leo, volatility has remained quite high. So towards the end of February, of course, we had the Russian invasion of Ukraine, which caused markets to wobble quite a lot. That continued into the first week of March, where the VIX index, which measures implied volatility in the US equity market, reached its highest level since January last year. But since then, markets have recovered quite well. It's almost a bit like how with the pandemic, when markets gradually learned to live with it. Well, we might be seeing something similar with markets here. They've accepted that there is a war going on now. So actually, overall, during March, it was a positive month for most equity markets. So the FTSE 100 index was up 1.4%, and the S&P 500 index in the US was up 3.7%. So overall, it's actually been a positive month for markets.
James, what's the ongoing situation with inflation at the moment?
Yes, so obviously inflation is the other big talking point affecting markets at the moment. It continues to rise. So here in the UK, the latest figures of the Consumer Prices Index, 6.2%, which is a 30-year high. And the forecasts from the Office for Budgetary Responsibility show that it's expected to reach as high as 8.7% towards the end of the year, before dropping back to 4% in 2023. So inflation is going to be here for a while by the looks of things. And the Bank of England just a couple of weeks ago decided to increase interest rates once again. It's the third time since December that it's done that. So the base interest rate in the UK is now back at its pre-pandemic level of 0.75%.
Thank you, James. And while I'm thinking back a little, congratulations once again on the recent award for the two awards for the Total Return Growth Fund. Looking ahead, is there anything that you're expecting to see or that we can expect in the next month or so?
Well, I imagine volatility is going to remain fairly high. There's still quite a lot of uncertainty going on surrounding, of course, the situation in Ukraine. And inflation, as I just said, it's not going anywhere just yet. So that's going to be around for a while. So as always, the key when you've got all this uncertainty in the markets is to be as diversified as possible, so that you're not too exposed to one particular sector or geographical region. And yeah, just with enough diversification, you'll be able to ride out any uncertainty in markets.
James, thank you very much. I will look forward to speaking to you again next month. To our viewers, if you have any questions, please do let your advisor know. They will be able to contact the investment team directly or contact us through our website, and we'll do what we can to get your questions to the right people. Thanks again.